Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Divine Inspirations 888. I hope you're all doing well. For today, I will be expressing with you why gratitude is so important. It is very important to be grateful for what you already have and for what you are manifesting in your life. Being grateful for where you are, what you have accomplished, and what you are trying to manifest. It's very important. And knowing how worthy you are of your desires, your hopes, and your dreams. Remember, being grateful is one of the most highest frequency you can have. When you are grateful, things will automatically work in your favor because you are expressing to the universe that you are grateful for what you already have. That way, you are opening up yourself to receive even more abundance into your reality. So yes, be grateful for everything, and not just things, but the lessons that you have learned as well.